AngieFitnessTV.
All right, guys, the roundhouse right here. Left hand on the wall, on a chair. This is for practice purposes. Feet are a little more than hip width apart. When you do a roundhouse, you want to think you're rounding over. You're going to, first of all, have that knee-hip alignment. They're in the same line, balancing. So you can just grab onto the ankle. See how it makes your body rotate over more towards that left side? You point your toe, and you are kicking with the front of your shoelaces. So you can keep your hand in the front of your thigh and feel how it feels to kick with your toe pointed, and you're kicking with the front of the shoelaces down. So we chamber, knee hip alignment, kick, point your toe, kicking with the front of the shoelaces. Your body does a major turn, knee and down. So chamber, kick, chamber, down. Now look how your body naturally rotates to that left side. So you want that hip, knee alignment. Then you kick from there, in and out. This is a proper roundhouse. There you go.